So the rental market is turning into a little bit of an outrageous one, and for more reasons than what you and I typically talk about. And that's because the city of Brampton has actually started implementing a pilot project that will address some of the landlords. And very simply, what they're trying to do is have landlords in several different wards in Brampton, that's several different areas in Brampton, register their rental properties so there could be some sort of a compliance that starts happening now. That was supposed to happen early January. That has since been put on pause. Why is that, you may ask? They're receiving pushback from the landlords who don't want to register their properties and have any regulations. And they actually paused the project. The fact of the matter is, there is such a demand on housing and an astronomical amount of people coming into this country for jobs and schooling and refugees even, that we're seeing the most ridiculous living conditions. So why pause a pilot like this when there are landlords who are kind of making the system scummy, renting out a house and having 25 people live in it? Why pause the project just because you're receiving pushbacks from the same people that are probably doing it?